Why learning literature is important. We tailor every online session individually, based on your needs and learning style. We will always have in mind the student's goals when preparing and planning for individual sessions. We will measure the progress of the student through direct contact and observation and running occasional tests, both written and spoken. We consider an important value to be engaged in the education of students and to support them to excel academically in the grounds of strong moral values and challenge them to do their best.
Hello, my name is Rishi, and I'm here to talk to you about the Firstring Global online tuition service. It really helped me, especially during my A-levels, in which you have to put in so much more work and effort into your studies, but this actually motivate me as well as educate me in my subjects. The teachers are really supportive and actually very talented. They explain things no matter what you ask them, and they are the most patient teachers you'll ever get, more than in school. Also, the service is really seamless and integrated well with Skype, and the classroom they have, the online virtual classroom, is really fun to use. Thank you for listening, and it's really something you should try out. They have a week free trial as well, so there's no harm in trying it.
And I'm from Wales, and I'm here to talk about Firstring Global online tuition. Firstring holds the best teachers from all around the world to help you, and I joined Firstring to improve my grades, mainly in math, because obviously math is really difficult and hard, and I find it really complicated. So my friends recommended me to join Firstring Global, and I tried it, and guess what? It's actually pretty good. And now I'm really improving my grade, and I'm the top bands right now, and I'm really thank Firstring to giving me this opportunity. So right now I'm recommending you guys to join Firstring as well, only if you want to improve in your grades. So check out the Firstring website right now and reach for the heights. Bye!
Which it helped me with is to understand that in the question itself there are the key words which you have to use in the answer. So basically, if the question is like, what is photosynthesis, you have to write in full sentences photosynthesis is, and then what photosynthesis is. So this was a great leap for me, and basically I'm so happy that I managed to do this. Not only this, my time management skills were poor before I joined Firstring.